30 years ago this week, the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania experienced one of its largest snowfall totals in the blizzard of 1996. 2822's Joe Mason takes a look back and also looks at what we've learned since then.
The blizzard of 96 brought dread and destruction to northeastern and central Pennsylvania. Former Wilkes-Barre Mayor Tom McGroarty was just days into his term when the blizzard hit. He joins us with a look back.
The governor has declared an emergency, disaster emergency for 47 counties.
January 7th, 1996 began one of the biggest blizzards in the Commonwealth's history. Nearly 2 feet of snow barreled into northeastern and central Pennsylvania, taking its toll on workers and residents alike.
Our men were out for 36 hours straight, taking turns driving and everything, and after a while it really starts to wear you down.
I don't know where we're going to put it anymore. I mean, we just cleaned it up. The state comes in, plows you back in there, so you got to clean it back up again.
So exactly why is the city of Wilkes-Barre dumping all that snow into the Susquehanna River? Well, it's because they've run out of places to store it.
In the Constitution of this Commonwealth,
Thomas McGroarty was sworn in as Wilkes-Barre's mayor just 5 days before the storm hit.
The hardest part was, just worrying about how are you going to make sure they keep this road open if somebody's going to have a baby get into a hospital.
In the following weeks, rain poured down and temperatures climbed into the low 60s, causing the snow to melt and the Susquehanna River to flood.
When you look at the 96 flood, you just couldn't imagine all the flooding in the small streams and how we could go from a hazard in January that was so cold and so snow that we worrying about a summer hazard in a couple weeks.
The waters rising to more than 34 feet, damaging hundreds of properties and taking away precious memories.
A lot of my daughter's toys and her baby things. That's pictures. That's pretty much it.
Well, it was just devastating, just like in a war zone.
People were even evacuated from hospitals and nursing homes because of the flooding.
This morning, the main entrance looked like a war zone. Here's why. Nearby Solomon's Creek rose so high you couldn't even get near the entrance. Was it a scary time for you?
Certainly was. It was 3:30 in the morning and I'm getting wheeled out of the hospital going to I didn't know where.
Both the National Guard and FEMA personnel were called in to assist, and the flooding did eventually go down. But what have we learned in 2026?
Money was provided to raise the levy, took a few years, and then it was validated in 2011 that the levy, not only did it exceed the design of the levy, but had there not been 3 foot of freeboard, we would have really had a problem. So we're very lucky with that freeboard.
The blizzard of 96 is tied as the second greatest snowfall event in Wilkes-Barre Scranton history. Reporting in Wilkes-Barre, Joe Mason, 2822 News.
It's nice we had some warmer weather this week and just rain.